Today I'm going to show you step by step how to put in a line of steel fence posts so that they are not only all of them plumb, but in perfect alignment with each other also. Best thing we can do is get straight into it. What we've done thus far is we've pulled a string tight along the property line and then measured every 8 feet and marked the ground. You can use spray paint. I just made a big X in the mud with my hands because it's fairly soft dirt. Next, we're going to drill the holes. I'm now going to take my post hole diggers and remove any excess dirt from the bottom of the holes. Okay, we have attached a screw at either end. We ran a string between them. We augered our holes directly underneath the string, and we put all of our new posts on the neighbor's side of the string to where, once plumb, each post sits just over an 1/8 inch off of the string to prevent that post pushing the string and that one being footed off the string, being over an 1/8 inch, and it pushing the string. Now I'm going to add water to them, and while the water is curing the concrete, I'm going to go through and hit each one with a level one more time, make sure they're good, and that'll be it until they're cured up. Okay, that does it. We'll check these out tomorrow when I come back. I'll give you a few aerial shots so you can see just how plumb and perfectly aligned these posts are. Perfect job.